while you're doing your feet thing.
In case I die, this is proof that I'm dead. Let's see what's going on today. Oh.
Okay. All right, guys. So today we're working on a 2021 Ram 1500 Classic. We're going to be putting in some running boards and also some bed covers. Stay tuned, see how that comes out.
Give me some wires, I'll fucking put it in your ass.
Too many shadows, whispering voices, faces on posters, too many choices. If, when, why, what, how much have you got? Have you got?
Okay, so went ahead and mounted these guys. You guys run there nice and tight. And there's a little good weather stripping in between there, so there's no water that's going to be getting between here. Now it's time to put this bad boy on there. Alright, that is job well done. We got bed cover on, now time to finish up them railings at the bottom, we're good to go.
Alright, so the 2021 Ram Classic is done. As you can see, we got the back flip bed cover on, really easy flip cover top, and down here in West Texas, not only do the East End boys and West End girls live here, but they also use West End running boards. Remember that. Write that down, Crystal.